Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or show order title with order number in mobile layout using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress in my account order page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in my account order page and then you see order number, display on desktop layout. Now go to mobile layout. You don't see order number with order title, so we are going to display it using custom code. Now expand it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom codes, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So after adding custom code, we are going to add some custom CSS, and then you see add your custom code. So again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it, and now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is a new column. Now you see order ID. So you can add column title according to requirement, and then scroll down. Now you see order. So we are going to display order number. Now you see order number. You can customize this text according to requirement. Now you see order and order ID. And then scroll down. You see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to add some custom CSS. Now snippet created and saved. Go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. And you will find all code and CSS in video description or in comment section, and then click on publish. Now you see display none, display table cell, and we are using media only screen. Now you see width 768 pixel, so you can add width according to your requirement for mobile view. So this is all our CSS. Now publish. Go to my account order page. Now refresh the page. Now go to mobile layout, so click on it, and then you see order ID. So this is our new column. Now you see text, and then you see order, and this is our order number. You see also this text in custom code order. Also you see order ID in custom code. Now you see order ID, order. Now expand it back to custom code. Now you see order ID, and then you see order. So you can add text according to requirement, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section with custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.